So guys, Sony just came out with a new graphics enhancer. I'm going to show you how it works. So as a start, you will need a PS5 Pro. And as of today, you also need Resident Evil. So they will be bringing us to many more games later this month, but for now it's just Resident Evil. So essentially what this does is it upscales using AI. Just bear with me, I'm trying to play this one-handed, but it looks incredible. So it just makes everything look much sharper. With this game, it's really the first time I've been impressed with graphics on PS5 Pro. So again, for other games there will be a system-wide toggle and I will make a video on that. With Resident Evil, the toggle's not obvious. So when you press start, go to options. Go to graphics. So as looking at the graphical options, there's no option here for PSSR. What I've read online though is that if you disable ray tracing, that disables PSSR. It's actually grayed out, so the changes you'd have to quit the game. Sometimes people turn off ray tracing to improve performance. Press on options, go back to graphics. So again, to have PSSR, you do want to have ray tracing turned on. Just looks a lot better and it'll give you PSSR. Start up the game. Okay guys, so when a new toggle releases, I'll make an updated video. Okay guys, thanks for watching.